Hello everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Kanjit Kaur and I will be your instructor for the course that is Learning Effective Language Skills. I have Bachelor degree of Science and I am also graduated in Education field. I have 3-year working experience as a science teacher. During my teaching profession, I realized that learning language skills are must for everyone to conveying information effectively or even messages or own feelings and start career as a perfect employee. That's why today I am here to introduce this course to you. This course is designed as online course, which means that you will be responsible for active participation virtually on Zoom or another video conferencing application. This course requires as that you already have little bit knowledge about four language skills, such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And other expectations will be stated in the course module as they apply to each unit. Also, it is important to know each other and to start building connections early. Please go into the discussion area under class introduction and post a new message using your name as the subject line and add some information about yourself. If you need a sample, then look at my introduction. At the end of this course, students will be able to utilize the skills of listening and speaking for purpose of socializing, providing and obtaining information, expressing personal feelings and opinions. Students will be develop cross-cultural skills and understanding of perceptions, gestures, folklore, and family. The students will comprehend messages and short conversations when listening to peers, family adults, and care providers of public services in face-to-face interaction. Students will write short notes, uncomplicated personal and business letters, and brief journals and short reports. Students will understand how words, body language, rituals, and social interactions influence communication. At the end of the course, it enhances the ability to multitask, improves performance in other academic areas, increases networking skills, and provides better career choices, and also keeps the mind sharper for longer and boosts brain power. The content which we will learn in this course is here. Introduction to the language skills, listening, writing, reading, and the speaking and basic elements of online course, and basic grammar and grammar in context, building vocabulary, text language in context, and at fifth, presentation skills. After that, discussion form, assessments, and group work, and at the end of the course, there will be a final project presentation. To evaluate or check how much we learn from each module, there are some interesting ways such as for in-class activities, some shorter writing assignments, and for online activities like reading text, speaking clips, paragraph writing, and listening audios. And there will be a group work and weekly discussion form participation, and after that it also includes the quizzes, and as we earlier discussed, there are final project presentation at the end of the course. During this course, you will need to make sure that you have some hardware and software facilities. Hardwares are computer, laptop or tablet or smartphone, a microphone, headphones, preferably in an all-in-one headset, and webcam, a suitable internet connection, and softwares are video conferencing software, a video editing software, a sound editing software, and a cloud account on Google Drive or OneDrive. To get started in this course, you will need to begin by viewing the course page or begin by reading the syllabus for the course. Also review the technical requirements for this course. If you have some questions or any concern during the course, the preferred method for sharing your concerns and questions is to send email me. I hope that you will enjoy this course and I look forward to having you in the class. Okay, thank you.